In today's video, I'm going to teach you Figma tutorial, how to share Figma files. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your designs into the right hands quickly and securely using Figma's built-in sharing tools. Start by heading to the Figma website in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, open the project or file you want to share. If you're not sure where it is, check your drafts, your recent files, or your team workspace. Click the file to open it and give it a moment to load the canvas so everything is ready to go. Now look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Share button, usually highlighted to stand out. Click that and a sharing window will pop up. This is where you control who gets access and what they can do. In the field labeled for email addresses, type the email of the person you want to share with. As you type, you may see suggestions if they're already part of your organization, which can help avoid typos. Double-check the spelling, since Figma will send the invite to exactly what you enter. You can add more than one recipient if needed by entering additional emails. Next, set the right level of access for each person. Use the permission drop-down next to their name to choose whether they can view or edit. Choose Can View if someone only needs to look at the design or leave comments. Choose Can Edit for teammates who will be making changes on the canvas. If you're unsure, it's safer to start with Can View. You can always upgrade their access later from the same share window. When you're ready, click Send Invite. Figma will email each recipient a link to the file and they'll be able to open it directly. If they already have a Figma account and are signed in, they can access it right away. Otherwise, they may be prompted to create an account before viewing. If they can't find the email, remind them to check their spam or promotions folders. A few quick tips as you share. Adding only the people who need access keeps your project organized and secure, and choosing the correct permission prevents accidental edits. If you ever need to adjust or remove someone's access, return to the same share button and update their permissions there. That's it. Open the Figma website, open your project, click Share, enter the recipient's email and send the invite. Follow these steps and you'll share your Figma files confidently every time.